what are the differences between expository writing and technical writing? I get this question once in a while. There is some overlap between the two, but they are definitely not the same. Expository writing is what in screenwriting and novel story writing and creative writing they warn you against. All teachers, writing instructors and tutors tell you not to write in a way exposing the reasons behind an attitude, position, or conclusion. Actually, in screenwriting, some call this laying down the pipe. It's one of the worst sins you can commit. And what that means is, just like sometimes you can see the pipes in a building crisscrossing the ceiling and the floors. So in a similar manner, when you write a screenplay, you should not explain why characters are behaving that way. I mean, explain in words, that is, but you should use just visual elements, images, and that's the hard part of screenwriting. So reasoning and logical transition is a part of expository writing. And technical writing, on the other hand, is a how-to type of writing. In technical writing, you are trying to usually explain through logical steps how to accomplish a goal and how to solve a problem in order to change behavior. So that's why there is not much rhetorical arguing and reasoning in technical writing. For example, adverbs and metaphors or anthropomorphic writing has no place in technical writing, whereas in creative writers use metaphors and similes all day long. So their goals and tools are different. In expository writing, you are trying to argue an issue and convince the reader about the correctness, the truth of your case. Whereas in technical writing, you are just trying to show and solve a problem through step-by-step directions. So this has been, for example, a partially expository answer, since I tried to convince you that technical writing and expository writing are somewhat similar but also different, and also partially a technical answer, since I tried to give you exact reasons why they are different and mentioned some of the tools like metaphors, anthropomorphism, etc., and used in one type of writing but not in the other. So overall, I hope the answer has been beneficial for you. Take good care, whether you are doing expository writing, creative writing, or technical writing, and I see you in the next video.